Every year, PTEN celebrates new and innovative products for shops and technicians with its innovation awards. The M12 FUEL 3/8 inch extended high speed ratchet from Milwaukee Tool is one of this year's highest scoring winners. The tool allows technicians to fit into tight spaces while delivering up to 35 foot-pounds of maximum torque. Here to tell us more about the extended reach ratchet is Eric Rusch, Director of Product Marketing, and Anna Retzer, Assistant Brand Manager for Milwaukee Tool. Thanks so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having us, Emily.
Of course. So can you tell me what makes this product so innovative?
Like all of our Milwaukee products, it all starts with the user, and we can continue to build on that innovation story that we've really led the journey on for the last 13 to 15 years. This product specifically is going to drive productivity and a more ergonomic solution for our users. The smaller, low-profile head, while also delivering over 30% faster speeds, is really what's driving that innovation story. The size plus the speed, allowing users to get the jobs done faster and reach fasteners that maybe they couldn't before with their ratchets, is what really separates this tool from any other cordless or even pneumatic ratchets that are in the field today.
Yeah, it's so important to have a tool that really creates more efficiency in the shop for the technicians.
Absolutely. And then that's what we set out, and our mission or our objective is every single day is how can we make the mechanic or the technician more productive and safer. And part of my role and my team's role is to go out and talk to users every single day to understand those pain points, those frustrations, that continue to drive innovation to directly address those.
So what was the inspiration behind creating this particular product?
The inspiration was directly off of the user feedback. What we were seeing is users were using pneumatic or cordless ratchets today, but there were applications that they just couldn't reach because the head size was too large for the existing ratchets. So the inspiration around this was, how can we give a user a solution that makes a smaller head size to get those applications that they couldn't reach for before with a cordless or pneumatic product. And in essence, we're eliminating that hand tool from the equation. So we're making them more productive by just being able to use a cordless ratchet, and where some cases they weren't able to use it before. The other inspiration behind it is we heard a ton of feedback from users that they want to get the jobs done faster. And obviously with flat rate being a very big part of the industry, if we can drive a faster solution for our users, it'll make them more productive. So that 30% faster speed over any other cordless ratchet in the industry is really what users were looking for. And finding that balance around that size and the speed is that was what we delivered based on the feedback from the field. You know, a lot of times we say we are delivering product from the user for the user, and that directly means our time that we get from the field and talking and going to shops and talking to users. This is what gives us the ability to drive that innovation story.
So have you received any feedback from the technicians who've purchased this? What's that been like?
The feedback has been incredible, outstanding. It speaks to the response that your readers saw from the PTEN Awards and you know why we're here. The feedback has been incredible. Users love the size, and one of the innovations that we drove is a one-piece design to give us that size and get into those tight spaces. They love that aspect of it, and then also they love that speed increase. And we continually hear that. They continually, even for the applications that aren't hard to reach, they're using this product because of how fast and more productive it makes them on a daily basis. So the feedback has been incredible, and it really builds what the Milwaukee brand has done over the last 10, 15 years for that auto technician, continuing to build solutions that are more productive and innovative, like we did with our FUEL high torques, M18 FUEL high torques, the M12 FUEL stubbies, all of our ratchets. We're continuing to drive it, and users feel like that brand promise is there with this 3/8 extended reach high speed ratchet. And they're loving the fact that we're focusing on the automotive technician when many other brands have left them by the wayside.
No, no, that's awesome. And it's got to feel good getting that feedback when you've put so much time and effort into creating these products.
And it's a driving factor for us. Like hearing that feedback knows that we're doing something right, but we're not settling. And we're going to continue to drive that curiosity on what we can do next to help continue to drive that productivity and safety in the shop.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking some time to talk with me. Really appreciate it.